If you want to get Discord meme Soundboard Pack 2 and add it to your own server soundboard, this video will walk you through the whole process step by step. I'm going to show you how to join the server, download the pack, extract the files, and upload the sounds into Discord the right way. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Discord tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the invite link shown on screen, discord.com/invite/WRRAVAGSMO. Once the page loads, click to accept the invite and join the server. This server contains the download link for the meme soundboard Pack 2, so joining it is the first thing you need to do. After you've joined the server, look through the channels and find the download link for the soundboard pack. Click the download link and save the file to your device. Depending on your browser, the file may download to your downloads folder automatically, or you may be asked where you want to save it. Just make sure you remember the location. Once the download is finished, go to the folder where the file was saved. If the pack is compressed in a zip or a RAR file, you'll need to extract it first. On Windows, you can usually right-click the file and choose Extract All. On Mac, you can double-click the archive to unpack it. After extraction, you should see the individual meme sound files inside the folder. Now, open Discord. Make sure you're logged into the account and server where you want to use the soundboard pack. From there, go to your server, then open server settings and select Soundboard. This is the area where Discord lets you manage and upload custom sounds for your server. Inside the soundboard settings, click Upload Sound. A file picker will open, and now you need to locate the meme sounds you extracted earlier. Select the sounds you want to add. You can choose one sound at a time or multiple sounds depending on how the upload window works on your device. After selecting the sound files, click Open. Once the files are selected, click Upload to add them to your Discord server soundboard. Wait for the upload to complete, and after that, your meme sounds should be ready to use in your server. You can test them right away to make sure everything uploaded correctly. If a sound doesn't upload, check the file type and make sure it's compatible with Discord. Also, make sure the file isn't corrupted and that you actually extracted the archive before uploading. A lot of people skip that step and end up trying to upload the compressed file instead of the sound files inside it. And that's it. You've now joined the server, downloaded Discord meme soundboard Pack 2, extracted the files, and uploaded the sounds into your Discord server. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Discord tips, downloads, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.